Speak Up English, the key to success.
Mia, you won't believe what's been on my mind lately.
Spill the beans, Michael. What's cooking?
Well, I've been thinking about quitting my job.
Whoa, that's a big step. What's driving this sudden urge for freedom?
I guess I've been feeling stuck in a rut. My job's become a bit of a snooze fest.
I get that. The daily grind can be a real energy sucker. But do you have a plan or just a case of I'm outta here?
A bit of both, actually. I'm thinking of pursuing my passion for photography full-time.
Wow, photography! That's awesome! But it's not all rainbows and shutter clicks, right?
Yeah, I've heard about the starving artist thing. But hey, I've got a camera and a dream.
That's the spirit. But remember, sometimes your dream job is just one bad day away from becoming your I need a job job.
True that. So, any tips for a budding photographer?
Start small. Build your portfolio, and who knows? Your hobby might become a side hustle.
Side hustle, huh? So, what's yours, Mia?
I make custom jewelry. It's my creative escape.
That's cool. Maybe I should try my hand at jewelry photography.
I'd love that. We could team up for a photo shoot.
Sounds like a plan. But seriously, Mia, is it crazy to want to quit a stable job for a dream?
Not crazy at all, Michael. Life's too short to settle for meh. Just make sure you're ready for the adventure.
Adventure it is, then. Thanks for the pep talk, Mia.
Anytime, Michael. Now, let's toast to chasing dreams.
You know, Mia, talking to you makes me feel like I can take on the world.
You absolutely can, Michael. Life's too short to play it safe all the time.
Yeah, I've been playing it safe for too long. It's time to step out of my comfort zone.
That's the spirit. And remember, the only way to predict the future is to create it.
I like that quote. Did you come up with it?
I wish, but no, it's from Abraham Lincoln.
Abe was a wise man. So, Mia, what's your ultimate dream job?
I'd love to have a little shop by the beach where I create and sell my jewelry. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves every day.
That sounds like paradise. If I ever make it as a photographer, I'll take all my beach photos at your shop.
Deal. And we can both be living our dream jobs.
It's funny how a simple chat in the park can make you rethink your life, huh?
That's the beauty of conversations, Michael. They can be the catalyst for change.
Well, thanks for being my catalyst today, Mia.
Anytime, Michael. Remember, life's an adventure. Embrace it.